Good morning, children. Hope you all are safe and fine. Yesterday, I briefed you the concept of in, on, and. So today, we are going to do an interesting activity related to it. Now, in this activity, we have taken a bag, bat, jar, mug, jug, cap, pin, pen, box. Now, in this activity, you have to see the objects carefully and keep in front of, in, on, and accordingly. Now, I am going to show you some objects. Now, children, look these objects carefully. What is this? Pin. And what is this? Box. So, where is the pin? On the box. So, we will keep in front of, on. Now, read the sentence. A P-I-N, pin, O-N, on, a B-O-X, box. A pin on a box. Now children, look it carefully. What is this? A mug. And what is this? A pen. Now where is the pen? In a mug. So we will keep in front of, in. Now read the sentence. A P-E-N, pen, I-N, in, a M-U-G, mug. Read the full sentence. A pen in a mug. Now can you see this? What is this? Cap. And what is this? Jug. When two things are side by side and we want to join in one single sentence, what we will use? And. Very good. So we are keeping in front of and. Now read the sentence. A C-A-P, cap, A-N-D, and, a J-U-G, jug. A cap and a jug. In this way, children, you can do this activity using different other objects. It will help you to revise your CVC words and the concept of in, on, and. Now, I am giving you worksheet to practice. In this worksheet, you have to read the sentence and match it with the appropriate picture. In this worksheet, you have to read the sentences and put a tick against the correct one, which match with the picture. Children, stay at home and keep on learning. Till then, bye.